Hi you guys, and happy Vlogmas. This is Vlogmas day 4. So as you saw, I got the dogs taken care of this morning. I did my devotional, washed some of my makeup brushes. It's been a productive morning, and I am sitting down to get a few hours of work done. So also this shirt is from Watercolor, Florida, when I was on my trip to 30A. So I'll link that vlog down below, and I'll link the haul, which includes this in it. And I'm just gonna go do a few hours of computer work, and I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Bye. It's been a productive Monday so far. Now we are off island to run some errands. There's been a lot of sea fog today and it's very humid, hence why my hair is up. So I'm gonna take you along for a few errands. We just finished up getting all of our errands done, so I went to the dry cleaner to pick up some things that I just had altered. I'll link those items that I got. They were in a previous vlog, so I'll link that down below. And then we went to Whole Foods and got our weekly groceries. So I will show you a grocery haul when I get back. All right, you guys, so we just took back our groceries, put them away quickly, and we're heading out to dinner. We're gonna go to Timbers, have something a little different, probably fish. I'll take you along for that. And I stopped by my house to see the progress. I was not very happy with the landscaping, so that will be talked about in another vlog. So let's go get dinner. We are now back home after dinner and seeing a little sunset. So now that the dogs are getting fed, we're gonna go ahead and do some baking. So the first thing that we're gonna do is bake a cake for my dog Murphy. It is his birthday tomorrow, so of course for Vlogmas we will capture all of that. But this is from Bachi's Bakery. This is just a bake at home cake mix. I will have this linked down below. There's also a frosting recipe, but I don't think we're gonna do that just because Murphy has a sensitive stomach, so I think the cake will be enough for him. And then we're also going to be making some cookies. This is a plant-based, gluten-free, dairy-free, and peanut and tree nut-free break and bake type cookie. I think I got these at Publix, but they sell them at so many different grocery stores now. So it's the Sweet Lawrence version. So let's get to baking. So following the recipe that was on the back, really all you got is water and olive oil. So that's what it's starting to look like so far, and it smells pretty good. So this is for the birthday cake tomorrow. This is where we're at. We're smoothing this in. It was supposed to be a 6 to 8 inch round cake pan, but we have square. So we'll see how this works out. Trying to smooth that out. And then here are the cookies that are ready to bake. So it didn't take very long for this to bake. I think it's because it was thinner in this pan. So it was less than the 25 minutes that it said. It was pretty quick. So we're gonna let this cool. And I think instead of frosting, we might actually put peanut butter on the top. Murphy loves peanut butter and he doesn't have any issues with that. So we now have the peanut butter on the top. So we're gonna put this in the fridge overnight, let it harden a little bit. And we will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas day number 5 and Murphy's birthday. Bye everyone.